In this video, I'll show you how to order Temu cash on delivery. Alright, so first thing is first, this is not available everywhere. As a matter of fact, this is available in very specific places, and all of them are being in the Middle East, unfortunately. So think Saudi Arabia, Qatar, and so forth. So if you are in those areas, what you want to do is find an item that you want to purchase. So let's say these shoes, and then add them to your cart. And then you just want to head over to checkout at the bottom right here. And if we look at our payment methods, you will see that you have a COD option. Of course, I don't, because I am not in the select area. And that's really all there is to it. If you don't see the option here, it is because you don't qualify for it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe as well, and I'll see you in the next video.